Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Legend of Rock, and this is my first time doing a like a CYDIA tweaks review slash like get this now video with a new software. And as you guys can see, I am not recording this with a camcorder. I'm actually recording this with a tweak. I jailbroke my iPhone. It's called Display Recorder, and it lets you it's right over here, and it lets you record whatever's on your iPhone in real time as you are recording voice memos. Or so, for example, right now this video right here, I am recording it, and there's a setting to use a microphone. So I am recording this in real time as I'm using my phone, which is really cool, and it lets me upload it straight to YouTube. I already told you guys about my PVR. This is much easier if I just want to show you guys a few tweaks on my iPhone. I'll use my PVR if I ever want to do some in-depth video game walkthroughs or iPad stuff. I'm not sure if I'm going to jailbreak my iPad. If I do, I'll be able to get Display Recorder too. And so we'll just see how that goes. So I'm going to show you guys a few tweaks that are iOS 6 ready, because I know everybody's jailbreaking their iPhones that are running iOS 6 to get the all the cool features and everything, and you want it to be untethered. So I'm going to be taking you guys through some apps that are apps tweaks that are going to be working right away, or at least when this video was made. So if this video is made, actually, yeah, if you're watching this later in the future, it's possible that there's even more available. I'm going to show you some of my favorite, and stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to be creating some formula videos, which are like formulas of different tweaks that, when added together, they make a really cool setup. So I'll probably show you guys one in this video too. I don't want to suck up all my time, so let's get started. First tweak is this really cool one that is really nice for people that don't have the iPhone 5. It's called Maximize and Maximization, and what it does is it you guys can see on the top, it doesn't have a status bar up here, and that gives you more screen real estate. So and if you think about it, that bar takes up a big huge gap on top, and that this gives you at least maybe half a block. And then also this is one of those formulas I'm talking about, Maximization and DietBar right here. DietBar will give you the ability to shrink down the top bars. If you guys haven't noticed, the settings text in the colored bar on the top is much smaller than normal, and that also adds more screen real estate to your phone. So I'm running this on iOS 6 on the iPhone 4S, and I get more screen real estate. And say you have an app that gets screwed up because you with Maximization or DietBar, you can go in here and you can choose which apps have it turned on. So I have like the music app on the music app for DietBar. I turned it off because DietBar made the music controls get all smushed together. But this is really cool because you don't have to turn off the tweak just to you don't have to delete the tweak because one app's not working. So that gives you a lot of choice there, which ones you want to be with no status bar. And now, because there's no status bar on the top, if you want to see your battery real quick, you have to slide down your finger, and on the top of the screen, you'll that little dragger that you use to get to the notification center turns into the time and your percent on the right. So I have 80% battery, and it's 610. So that will you just pull that down like partially, and it'll show you the time in your battery in any app. So you don't have to worry about not seeing if you have battery, or you don't have to go out of the app to see what you have. Next tweak is Barrel, which everybody knows what that is. That one does work on the iOS 6. You guys can see right here. I have right here. I have page fade on because it's a little. I like how it just fades the icons in. It's not too crazy. So I'll show you guys what certain ones look like real quick. Here's Cube on the outside. Here we go. You guys can see how it makes a 3D effect when you go around. And I only have 2 pages, so it doesn't go completely around, but it's still kind of cool. And you can you don't have to respring when you do this. You can easily just choose one, and it'll do that. So I'm going to go back to page fade. That's Barrel. Everybody knows what that is. So Barrel does work on iOS 6, and it's pretty cool. Now Infinity Folders is also pretty cool too. Definitely works on iOS 6, and that will let you get unlimited folders right here. So what you do is you drag in apps into a folder like normal. Hold on, into a folder like normal, and then as you start dragging them in, it'll expand automatically, and the icon won't change with it. But when you click on the button, you'll have a little bar for scrolling. You just scroll down, so like this. You'll see you'll see this bar on the side, or you can choose to have it disappear like I did. But then you can just scroll down and see all your apps. You can take one out. You just hold it down like normal, and you can drag it out of the folder. Or one hard thing about this is that if you want to put one on the top, you have to put it up row by row, because it won't scroll up with you. But other than that, it's still really cool tweak to have if you want to have less folders. That's the only way I was able to have only 2 pages of folders. So other than that, let me see what else if I'm missing something I wanted to show you guys. This is only going to be my first video, so there's definitely going to be more to come. Oh yeah, appdialer also works. It's a really cool one. You can you choose whatever way you want to activate it, and what appdialer is it lets you do either a dial or a pattern, and you can set patterns to do certain things. Like I have all these patterns set for certain apps. So say I'm at the home screen and I want to get to it really fast. I tap the screen, I slide across, and there's my music. And same with this, slide across. There's my settings, and I have one more that goes straight to messages. And there you go. So a really nice tweak if you want to have access to your favorite apps really quick. You can just you can choose wherever you want to launch it, and it'll let you make it like the volume button or whatever, and using activator, and that will let you choose how you get to the pattern thing. But once you get there, you just have to make sure you customize your patterns in the settings, and you get quick access. And the last one I'm going to show you is bosspaper, which is how my background's changing right here. Or not right there. My background's changing right there because whenever you open folders, bosspaper turns off and you see your actual wallpaper. But what bosspaper is, it's like a slideshow for your background. And the cool thing is this one doesn't stay on when you're in an app, so it only turns on when you're out of the app at the home screen. You guys pretty much know what this is, but everything works in it. It lets you choose your interval and length and of transitions. It says it'll change the wallpaper on app close, and you can disable randomness right here, or you can change how it fits to your screen and everything like that. It's pretty nice. And the only thing that doesn't work is transitions, which I'm not sure why. This isn't the newest version, but I guess it just doesn't work on this one. Maybe it's only on 4 or something like that. But other than that, that's pretty much it I'm going to show you guys for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely look back. I'll keep you guys updated on all the cool tweaks that are out there, and which ones are now iOS 6 ready, and also ones that are just cool to have. So thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys later, and bye.